story I'm about to portray to you is not a pretty one. It happened a long time ago in Wendell, Minnesota. Very tragic story. I almost shudder to think, I shudder every time I think about it. I just, words cannot describe the terror that I and the Minnesota families, loving families, went through that day. It was a cold, very dark and cold evening or day in Wendell, Minnesota. And what happened that day, it was terrible. But I feel the story must be told, to help protect and save the American, and all American. And I'd also like to remind you, if you're a bit squeamish at all, please watch this show in the company of your family and your loved ones. But I really feel that if it's too much for you to handle, get out now. Da dum dum doo doo dum la la loo 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 doo 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 oh doo dum doo dum dum ooh ooh.
What's going on? I'm singing in the rain, I'm singing in the rain, I'm singing in the rain. Get away! Get away! What are you doing?
Ooh, you can feel this high.
Yeah, for the game.
Who recently, oh, Seth, you should know this is easy. Who recently replaced city manager of Kansas City, A.J. Wilson? You're from Kansas City, if you don't know this,
I should know this one. Walt Berry.
James Olson.
Oh,
you missed. Oh, that's funny.
Go, Jenny.
Somebody play with, Jenny, you play with my feet. Somebody's there.
Green.
Okay. What former owner of the Arneson, Larson, and Milton men's clothing store was recently arrested for embezzlement?
Oh, I've had this question before.
It's a toughie.
Harlan listening.
You're right. You got
Oh,
it.
no, wait. Quit playing with my feet.
What's that? What's going on?
Oh, my God.
I think we're out again. I can't see.
Guys from Kansas City were sent up to Wendell, Minnesota to solve the Cabbage Patch case.
Hi, my name's Friday. I work on Saturday. That's my girl. My partner's Sunday. He works on Monday, Tuesday, and alternating Wednesdays. We got a call last Thursday.
What day is it?
At 10:15 p.m., the two detectives got a hot tip from an anonymous source that Marcia Moispitz, yes, Marcia Moispitz, was a known underworld Cabbage Patch gang leader. They went to her apartment.
Stop. I think we're onto something. Just as I suspected. Cabbage Patch droppings. Are you Marcia Moispitz?
Yeah, what about it?
I'd like to ask you a few questions, ma'am.
Let me see your badge.
Okay.
I'd like to have a look around, man, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
All right, what is that you have?
Man,
Hand it over. That's
Ma'am?
it.
It's nothing.
Aha.
A Cabbage Patch shoe. I think there's some other stuff.
Cabbage Patch foot.
Steve, look. You're not going anywhere, man.
Cabbage Patch sock. Save this as evidence. Friday.
Password.
Still wet. Hey, what are you doing standing by that closet?
It's nothing.
Out of the way, ma'am.
It's just
Out of the
my
way. Out of
clothes
the
in
way.
here.
Freeze! All of you. You
Two,
two,
we've
man.
got them all.
Okay.
You're all under arrest. Come with me.
Come on, you kids.
So that ends the saga of the Cabbage Patch Caper. Or does it?